आपको कभी किसी ने जयचंद बोला है, बुरा लगा था? अगर वो आपको मीर जाफर या राजा मानसिंह या राजा अंबे कुमार या बालादित्य बुलाते तो बुरा लगता? डोंट नो, नॉट श्योर, बट आई एम श्योर दैट यू आर वंडरिंग हु द हेल आर दीज पीपल. You don't know them because you're not supposed to know them. Thanks again to our great historians and school textbook writers. और इंडिया में जो अभी हो रहा है उसके लिए इन लोगों के बारे में जानना बहुत आवश्यक है. So let's find out about them through some interesting stories. Welcome to the 11th episode of Breathing History. So I'll tell you about all these people through stories. पहले मैं एक कहानी बताऊंगा and then I'll ask you a question. Pause the video and try answering that question. At the end, you'll know if you were right or wrong. And this will also expose these dignitaries and their ill intentions and tell you the importance of identifying these Jaychands in our society today. So here's the first story. There was a king A who didn't really get along with his neighboring kingdoms in the same country. Let's call them Kingdom B and C. So what this King A does, he welcomes an invader X to their country and submits to him just so that this invader can destroy his enemy neighbors. Think about it, is that the right thing to do? It's like if one state in India doesn't like its neighboring state, so it partners with some other country to destroy this state which is in the same country. इस कहानी में King A is Raja Ambi Kumar, Kingdom B and C are Pauravas and Abhisar. Invader X is Alexander the Great. Time was 325 BCE. Second story. एक बहुत ही क्रूअल इन्वेडर जिसने सिर्फ और सिर्फ डिस्ट्रक्शन मचा रखा था सब जगह. लोग मर रहे थे, मंदिर, घर, स्कूल सब टूट रहे थे. इनफैक्ट ये इन्वेडर देश की राजगद्दी पर आके बैठ गया था, तो सब राजाओं ने मिलकर उस पर अटैक किया और जीत गए. Invader was captured and the leader of all these kings who came together ordered that this invader should be beheaded. तभी इनमें से एक राजा ने कहा, इसको मत मारो, इसे मुझे सौंप दो, मैं इसको सजा देना चाहता हूँ. Now tell me, what would have happened? Any guesses? ये leader who was Vikramaditya Yashodharman gave this invader who was Mihir Gul from Huns dynasty to Baladitya from Gupta Empire. और बालादित्य ने क्या किया, उसके साथ कुछ डील करके उसको छोड़ दिया. We don't know why, but don't see a reason why would he do that. This happened in 511 CE. Third story. इस स्टोरी में तो आप गेस कर ही लोगे आई थिंक. एक और इन्वेडर जो हमारे देश पर अटैक कर रहा था, उससे लड़ने के लिए राजा ए ने राजा बी से कहा कि इस इन्वेडर से मिल के लड़ते. राजा बी agreed, but because of some internal rivalry, Raja B secretly teamed up with the invader, and on the day of battle, he left the battleground with his army and left King A to fight for himself. King A was defeated and executed. Right away, the invader attacked King B, destroyed the very famous Kashi Vishwanath temple to ground. He captured King B and ordered his execution as well. Do you know ये किसकी कहानी है? King B ने पूछा कि I just helped you. Why are you doing this to me? Invader said, I am just your ally. You betrayed your own family. How can I trust you? Then King B, who was Raja Jaychandra Rathod or Jaychand, was beheaded and his head hung out for everyone to see. He betrayed King A, Prithviraj Chauhan, who was his son-in-law, helping the invader Muhammad Ghori from Ghazni. This happened in 1192 CE. One last story. King A invites this leader to his palace for some consultation. After exchanging pleasantries, this leader is asked to spend the night in the guest room. And as soon as he goes to sleep, this leader is captured by his soldiers. This is because King A, who was Raja Mansingh, had a secret deal with British East India Company to help them capture this fierce leader, Ramchandra Pandurang Tope or Tatya Tope. तात्या टोपे ने नाक में दम कर रखा था ब्रिटिशर्स के, स्पेशली विथ हिज रोल ड्यूरिंग 1857 वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. दिस हैपेंड इन 1859 CE. I've been telling you the time these stories happened on purpose. Right from 325 BCE, then 511 CE, then 1192, then 1859, then 1947. There is so much for us to learn from these stories. First, think about why did we not know these stories? There is a collective effort which went in to make sure we don't learn about them. Then, at least 2300 साल से हम आपस में लड़ते रहे हैं और आपसी दुश्मनी इतनी बढ़ जाती है कि हम ब्रूटल एंड बारबेरिक इन्वेडर्स लाइक हून्स एंड गोरीज का साथ देने लग जाते हैं. क्यों इतना सेल्फिशनेस? कंट्री इज लाइक अ बिग फैमिली और लड़ाई झगड़े तो हर फैमिली में होते हैं. दिस डजंट मीन कि हम किसी बाहर वाले के साथ मिलकर खुद ही की फैमिली को मारने पर उतर आए. जयचंद ने ये किया था, क्या मिला? दूसरे दिन उसका सर लटका था बाहर. Unfortunately, we still have Jaychands in our country, and a lot of them. They come in all shapes and forms. It is more important than ever for us to become aware and alert about them and be able to identify them. It is not very hard. Forget about political parties or affiliations. Anyone or any organization जिनको सुन के या पढ़ के आपको अपने देश के प्रति घृणा का भाव आए या जो कंसिस्टेंटली ऐसा दिखा रहे हैं कि आपका देश कितना खराब है, तो समझ जाओ कि वो एक जयचंद है. ये आज मोहम्मद गौरी का साथ दे रहे हैं, पर इनको ये नहीं मालूम कि कल गौरी इन्हीं पे अटैक करेगा. वी हैव द बेनिफिट ऑफ हाइंडसाइट. लेट्स लर्न फ्रॉम आवर हिस्ट्री, लेट्स लर्न फ्रॉम आवर मिस्टेक एंड लेट्स मेक श्योर वी डोंट रिपीट देम. लेट्स यूनाइट अगेंस्ट एनीवन हु सीम्स टू बी गोइंग अगेंस्ट दिस ग्रेट नेशन. Put the onus on them to prove it to you that they can be trusted. Some of them are obvious. It's a shame कि इनके लाखों subscribers हैं. Put them to test. Apply the rule to their content which I mentioned above. क्या इनका content देख के आपको अपने देश के प्रति घृणा का भाव आता है? If yes, then they go in Jaychand category. Let's do the same to anyone and everyone. Let me know in the comments below if I was able to change your mind about anyone who you never thought would be a Jaychand. Thank you and see you in the next episode of Breathing History.